Good evening, everyone. So, let's start today's session. Before that, let me know if you all could hear us. You can give us a thumbs up if you can hear us in the chat box. Good evening and a warm welcome to all educators who are joining us today. We know you all are joining from different places. We would like you to comment in the comment box where you are joining from. It will be more useful, and we could also be more excited to facilitate more sessions internationally. So, on behalf of Center, we are delighted to have you all with us for another insightful session and our ongoing Center webinar series for teachers. This is a space where many passionate educators come together to learn, reflect, and grow professionally. In your presence and participation continues to inspire us as we build a stronger and more empowered teacher community. So now it's time for introducing our facilitator. We introduce our facilitator for this transformative session, Mr. M. Vignesh. Good evening, sir. To continue with, our facilitator, Vignesh M., is a passionate mathematician and he is a mathematics educator too, driven by a strong sense of purpose. He is deeply committed. He is deeply committed to helping children grow by building the right habits and engaging them in meaningful learning experiences. Though this works at Rethink Math Academy, which he is the founder of it, and he strives to make mathematics both enjoyable and relevant to real life. Vignesh believes that even small, consistent changes in the child's daily routine can lead to powerful long term impact. That's a great thought, actually, Vignesh sir. And his approach focuses on nurturing curiosity, confidence, and critical thinking, ensuring that learners not only understand math but also appreciate its value in everyday life. Yes, we do use math in everyday life, but we fail to recognize it at times. So here's our facilitator. And now let's get back to the session. We welcome you, Vignesh sir. Over to you.
Hi. So, well, thank you so much, ma'am. So, I think my voice is audible. Hi, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the whole team as well as you all because it's the evening time. You all being here, so I'm so thankful for that. That is very important for me to say thank you to all. So, personally, who is this guy, Vignesh? So, Vignesh is a mathematics teacher who was passionate about maths. It's okay. But why he is here and what he is actually doing? He is a non judgmental listener. When I start listening to the child without any judgmental tone, I could get to understand more deeply about them. So it makes me to understand how actually child wish to learn. So that's how actually myself I have started. And my one purpose in my life, because my ikigai, it's like in Japanese, we used to say the term called purpose. So it is to make math education something to the student centric, as well as to bring awareness. As ma'am highlighted, we have some other interesting things today because this one thing is not discussed in any way, might be discussed in some manner, but today at the end of the session there will be a one thing which you will definitely will create a big impact in your child's life as well as ours life, everyone's life, that one thing. So please wait for that. So what we have actually started, it's called like Rethink Math Academy. So, what is the main purpose of the Treating Math Academy is we believe that every human being, every living thing has some uniqueness. Every non-living thing also has some uniqueness. So we can't judge a fish just because it doesn't know how to climb a tree, because it is not his inherited capacity. So it is something we have missed out. Even Albert Einstein actually has said that if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live the whole life believing that it's stupid. It was happening in many places. So this webinar, how it is going to help you all, or this is just a like a knowledge sharing session. We are not going to complain about the system here. We are just, this is summer, right? It's already hard. So somehow we are trying to manage how we could manage the hotness. So similarly, the children will be available at home. So we will be finding somewhere where we want to put the child, like a summer camp. But instead, in at home, what are the small things which you can do it? At the same time, they will enjoy learning, as well as they will what to say, they will enjoy and understand the concept. So we will start directly to the topics. So I request everyone, if possible, you would have in your hands any notebook or some paper or pen, so that it will be easy for you to understand and move on, because it is going to be like a interaction. Because I can see your chat options, everyone, you all put good evening. So now that's the first word I have typed it. It is being showing complete. So what comes to your mind when you see the word complete now? When you see this word complete, what comes to your mind? What do you think what I'm going to talk about now? Because you all might have read the descriptions of the webinar. So after seeing the word complete, is any thought comes to your mind, you can please put it in the chat so that I can also let it make it interactive. Few members I request. Yeah. When you see the word complete, is anything comes to your mind about sums? Good. Thank you. So the first thing which we are going to learn or understand is we have many worksheets, but what happens sometimes, the worksheet becomes a bored part for the child, or even for some time for us, we will feel it is something monotonous. But sometimes we will get something like interesting like this, somewhere different way of pictures will be there, some animal picture will be inherited, and we will say it's a colorful worksheet. But it's a simple thing which we are going to do now. That's called because the worksheets will board the child. So this is called Sumplete. So how it is called Sumplete? Just have a look here. After seeing the number 6, after seeing the number 14, what do you think what we have to do it here? Because you can see some numbers are there, and here also some numbers are there inside the grid. It's a 3 by 3 grid. If possible, you all can write it in your notebook or paper and just work out. That's good. Or else you can uh, take some paper, please. So what do you think what has to be done here? So here 6 is there. So if you find it hard, you can now I just shown the answer also. After seeing this, can you able to understand what is actually complete? Definitely you shouldn't actually, because we all are actually mathematics educator. But I hope here some students also there, some parents also there, because it is the webinar which is going to give you an idea. It's a direct tip. You can just download it and you can use it. So after seeing this, what do you think they have done here? Here 6 is there. So how it got 6? Because it is 5 plus 1 is 6. But at the same time, they're deleting it because they don't want this 3. That's why it's called complete. Because we are doing sum and we are deleting, which is not required. And at the same time, it was to satisfy the row wise sum as well as the column wise. So if I give you one thing, can you all try it? If everyone understood, please put it in the chat. Like yes, you can type yes or y. Just type in the chat. If you could understand what is complete, please type in the chat. There is y or yes, because it's a simple thing, but for the child it will be a a great difference because I have tried it. It is not just I am just learned from somewhere and I'm not saying. Now we will try it. You all can happily try this now. Start. Come on. You please write it over and you can say in the first row which number has to be deleted. In the first row, what are the numbers or which number has to be deleted? The people who have a doubt, what is this? Complete. You have to see the sum. The sum of the row should satisfy 8. So the numbers which is not other than that, the number which is not there, so it has to be removed. Can you say what are the numbers has to be deleted in the first row? What are the numbers? I'm looking over your chats actually. Yeah. So we want to get sum as 8. So what is the number has to be deleted here? And you can see here 2. 6 and 5 has to be deleted. Super. In second row, what is the number has to be deleted? In second row, I think Agokich reset guy, ma'am. 5 and 6 has to be deleted. Okay. 6 and 5. 4 and 8 has to be deleted. Super. In third row, what has to be deleted? Super. I can see Kichiku, Ritsa guy, Bhuvesh. Super. Shweta ma'am. Emmanuel, Adam sir, Revati, Philomena ma'am. 7 has to be deleted. Super. Now you can see the answer. What you have said, it's correct. So now you might have feel something which is unusual. It is not actually usually what we have done as a sum and subtraction. Actually, here what is happening? We are adding all the data, all the numbers, and we could understand this. The whole sum is not required for us. We are removing some numbers from that. So here addition is also happening, subtraction also happening, but the child will not see it as like a something board worksheet. It will be exciting for them. You try this one more thing. So now we get familiar, but now I think some people, yeah, I can see Ago, your ma'am actually mentioned that, okay, now I get it. I think now you all got some, it's kind of warm up. So now you can go for level 1. Can you all try this one? Yeah, Geeta Ashok ma'am has joined. Good evening. So 6 has to be deleted in the first row. Jalpa Mystery 200. Wow, thank you. Second row, what are the number? You can call me Joy. Yeah, thank you, Joy, ma'am. Thank you. Because I'm finding a little bit hard to. Row 1, okay, row 1 is 6. What about row 2? I think 7 and 5. Which 7 and 5? That is something challenging. Which 7 and 5? Is it the first column 7 or second column 7? I can see Saroj, Deep, ma'am, Rinku, Smita, Gandhi, 7 in second row. Which column? Complete the sum as Joy ma'am row and 6 second. So it's second column 7. Thank you. So we could get this. Now it's something exciting. Now it is something you all definitely need some paper and pen. Some paper and pen it is required. I request don't put it in the chat immediately because this is what will happen inside the classroom also. If we know once the answer, immediately the first child will raise up the hand or without raising the hand, the child will shout out the answer. Then the person who is like Vignesh thinking to answer, oh, okay, this guy said, okay. Again, what he will do? He will try some other time. So this trial and failure, he will try to answer, he will try to understand the question, but before that, someone who understood, they will say the answer. So naturally, the child, even we also feel the same because it's a human being, right? So we also feel the same. We will feel it afraid and we will not ready to attempt next time. So now, please don't put the answer in the chat. Take some moment of time. As a kid, you sit and solve it. If you are a student or parent or teacher, whoever may be, I request take some moment of time, and at the end, you all can put it in the chat. We will take 1 or 2 minutes because we will take it slowly because we want to experience it. We can have more dish in front of us, but if we eat everything in a hurriness, we will not understand the taste of it, texture of it. So we will go slowly, step by step. We will enjoy the process. I can see Richard Yagi ma'am, Smita in column 2. Okay, row 2, it's first row 4 is not required. Richard Yagi ma'am has typed. Take 1 minute of time and then okay. Sometimes this will naturally it's very quite hard. Na? We will be like once we know that we somehow we have to share it. It's okay. We will start. We will start putting in the chat option. Saroj Divak 4 in the first row added two numbers and removed the extra number. Okay. In second row, what are the numbers? First row 4, second row 6, super. Second row 6, okay, good. Third row, Rinku Gupta, Ashia Bazum, Emmanuel sir. Third row, Shweta ma'am, I can see. In second row, 3 and 2 are not required. Wow, it's Smita Gandhi ma'am mentioned. First row 4 and 6, Rinku Gupta. Third row ma'am, third row is 7 is not required. Okay. Second row 6, second row, then fourth row 9 4 4. Oh, so many things are not required. Shall we check it? Yeah, it's absolutely correct because I know it's easy, but can you all put it in the chat now? What is the different feel you got it? If whether we don't mention it because Vignesh is asking, he has taken some webinar for 1 hour in center. He took some time, but I request if you really feel that you can put it in the chat. Whether do you find something difference in your some different feel? Whether you have happened inside your, it's interesting for students. It's okay on. Thank you. For others, what is your kind of a feedback? How it looks for you? Whether do you think it will be interesting and make the child to sit and do? But here one problem is there. It is actually a website. It's called Sumplete.com. If you go and type it, you will get it. But the problem is screen time. Already we are finding so hard to take out the child from the mobile because sometimes the school will send the homework through that leave application, or sometimes the videos will be shared or some PDF will be shared. Then this has to be avoided. Correct? We should not give more screen time for a child, even though it will benefit their understanding part. Because recently, many countries they have got back to manipulators, classroom. They have actually scrapped their technologies. EdTech, they have actually scrapped it. Especially Finland and Denmark, they have done it. You can also refer it. I'm not just stating in a random manner. It's a valid news. Why they have scrapped it? Because they know rather than the benefit of the child, it is actually deteriorating their health, everything. So now how to use it then? Make us think, calculate, and arrive at the same answer row and column wise. Only some interesting, so nice. Thank you. It's different approach to capture concept. Now then, how you said it's a website? Then how we can use it? So you can convert the picture. Actually, you can screenshot, like you can take a screenshot of that and you can convert into a PDF. If you find it already, I have a lot of work and how could I do all those things? Or I'm not good in those things, but I'm interested in taking this to my classroom, or I just want to take a printout. I request you all can actually scan this, or you can take a screenshot of this right now, and afterwards you can join in this community. So in this Rethink Math Academy, I will be sharing those kinds of PDF. So where you can actually use it in a direct manner rather than you sit and do all those things. You can utilize it. It's like a mutual benefit, win-win situation. I will be sharing to you. There will be no charges for it. Don't worry. After you join in the community, I will not ask any subscription for a monthly basis. Okay. I request you all can take a screenshot of it. Maybe I will show it in another slides also. So we'll go for the next one. Now, math magic. So far you all are excited and done. So now math magic, we'll just go. So what is magic? We all know. You might have understood now. There will be some trick. You will say ask us to double it and then add it, then you subtract it, then finally you will get to some answer. These are the things which we have done as a 90s kids. But now Gen Z kids are there. So somehow we have to trigger them. curiosity. So you all request, don't type it in the chat. Now I am going to, even though it is in a YouTube live, I could see through your eyes. That is a promise which I could give. Even though I request everyone, ready? How many of you ready for magic? You can type it magic. If it is lost long word, you can type yum in the chat. Magic. So you can think of a two-digit number in your mind between 20 to 99. Everyone done? You type yum so that I can go for the next slide. Whether everyone thinking some number in your mind, 20 to 99? Yum, yum, yum. I'm sure whoever joined just now, for you all, I want to say there's a one thing at the end of this webinar. Every time people will say, right, when they start the session, they will say, at the end, something is there. So we will make them to wait. Yeah, it is not such a strategy. Actually, I want you all to take that one thing today with you. So please stay until the webinar gets end. So yum yum is there, ready. Thank you. So everyone thought of time. So for example, I will say the number. You don't type your number. For example, Vignesh is thinking 36. So what Vignesh want to do? He want to add the digits. So similarly, you might have thought of some number, add that particular digit. That's it. You do it and keep it in your mind. Don't say to me. It will take 2 3 minutes. I hope add it is done. Every time if I ask you to type something, you will get irritated. So I will not ask now. So you add the digits and keep that sum in your mind. Done? Okay. After that, what Vignesh has to do? He thought of some number. That is 36. He adds the digits. So he got 9. So now he want to do the subtraction. Similarly, for your number and for your sum of the digit, do the subtraction. From your original number, you want to subtract the sum of the digits and keep this final answer in your mind right now. Remove all the other things, initial number and your sum, everything you remove it. You just keep the final number, that is 27. After you subtracting, you got some number, right? Please keep that in your mind. Ready? It's like a technology advancement. I could penetrate through your mobile phone or laptop, and inside your eyes I could see what you are actually looking. Okay, it's just for kids we will do. I don't know whether some kids are here, so I'm just talking in that way, because the kids will be like looking whether he will definitely see me. Even a small children, they will believe. You might know this guy has done something. If everyone ready, type R in the chat, R, so that the next slide will be the last one for this magic will get end. R in the chat. Okay, I could see. Oh my god, everyone went off. R. Okay. Now what you want to do is, yeah, I can see many are. Thank you. So now you all have one number in your mind. You think of that number. For example, Vignesh number is something 15 means I want to see the star alone, the right side number. If from the screen, I think it will be something little bit blurry or something tiny. Sorry for that. 40 means the crescent. 45 means smiley. 20 means music. Like this, you find your number and see the picture near to you. You first find the number. If everyone finding the number, good. Once you found it, type F. That means you find the number and the picture. I'm going to see through your eyes. F. Find F. More secret codes will be there like this. Just to know, yes, you have typed. Okay, my pronunciation problem is there. F, yes, okay, it's fine. Yes. So I will make it little bit bigger in size. See that picture alone. Don't see anything else. Don't see anything else. See your picture alone. Now I will see through Saroj, Divak, and then Revati ma'am, Shahida, Jaman, Swati, and I can see Deepika ma'am, Richard ma'am, Joy ma'am. Many people's eyes, Aarti ma'am is there. So I will see through your eyes and I will try to show that which picture you are all are looking. What do you think? Uh, okay, I will show you once. After that, if you all find whether the picture is same, you can type uh, like the picture name. Okay, if it is ready. So you all are actually looking. Preeti ma'am done. Kiran Chauhan sir. So you all are actually seeing this picture, correct? Correct. You can type C or smiley. Yes, yes is fine. Why is better, I think. See why it's all becoming. Is it correct? Everyone got the same picture? Yes. Now it is how. That is the curiosity part. Here the children will get somewhere, they will think, wow, how sir? They will ask like this. Or they will be thinking, have you done something? I know. That is a like 7th standard, 8th standard children or 9th standard children. But if it is a 5th standard, 4th standard children, they will be enjoying it. They will say, sir, you are a magician. You are doing lot of things. But you know how. So I'm not going to reveal it. But if you're interested in finding out how, I am showing the slide where I have shown the numbers. You please take a screenshot of it. After that, you can sit and find it, please. Inside this, only secret is there. Inside this, and before this, I have given some instruction. That is a secret. So exactly 6 o'clock, the session will get sent. So don't worry. Still 30 minutes. You will come to know one by thing, something interesting. You can all take a screenshot of it. Okay. Now, so this is how the magic works. Next, connection game. You all might have played. So now it will move a little bit faster. So connection game, you all try this. Can you guess the fruit? Guess the fruit, guess the fruit. Guess the fruit. Can you all guess the fruit? It's a tough fruit actually. Finding tough out the side, but inside it's so sweet. Like all of us, every student will think this teacher is so bad, but they only know how what to say. They are actually very good inside jackfruit. Thank you. I can see Revati ma'am and Shweta ma'am actually typed it. Grapes. Is it grapes? The jack is there, man. That's it's okay. For you, it's look like banana. It's okay. Nothing wrong. Actually, it's like a some word game, but it's okay. Nothing wrong in that. So here, no correct answer, wrong answer. Now try this. Guess the mathematical term. Guess the mathematical term. Kiwi. Okay. Crescent. Guess the mathematical term. Pomegranate. Jackfruit. Because Jack is a card name and a fruit. That's why it's jackfruit. It's okay. Out of box thinking will be there. Nothing wrong. Symmetry, circle, Ashia, ma'am. My pronunciation, if your name is wrong, don't mistake. Priti Yadav, ma'am, symmetry, pineapple. Okay. Uh, sir, okay. Shaila, ma'am, symmetry, mathematics, symmetry, desert, Swati, ma'am. Okay. It's symmetry, correct. Now think this. Actually, this, you all think, then I will show the answer. Think, 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 think. Today, 30 minutes, you will definitely feel it somewhere connecting, interesting. What do you think? Good evening, sir, circle. Think, I have shown the another picture. So it's a mathematical term. Try to find out the mathematical term. Money is there, okay. Try in different languages. Symmetry, okay. Money is there, but some mathematical term. Money bag, okay. Money bag. Symmetry, cash, symmetry, money. Yeah, it's money is there. Obviously, money is there, but think in other languages also. Money bag. In Tamil, you think Tamil, if it is possible. If you don't know Tamil, then it is a little bit hard. I'm sorry for that. Money matters. Oh, piggy bag, money bag. Okay, I will show it. Can I? Pi. Oh wow, you got the half of the answer, Deepika ma'am. Pi is the half of the answer. What is the first one? Very good. Actually, it's a collective. Cast by. Hey, wow. Fantastic, Asia ma'am. It's cast by. It is something like so. What it will make actually the child is they will find it hey something nice, na. But what actually we have done here is all the formulas we have tried and converted into a kind of a connection game, so that they will enjoy it. They will easily remember it. For example, I will show you one formula. You try to find it. With this connection part will get over. We'll go for the next one. Cast by SJR Mathematics 3941. Thank you. Multiple of 5 and 10. Ashu's pi. Cast pi. Vimpi ma'am. Actually, in my live chat, it's showing the slight delay will be there in the message. That's why don't mistake. So now I have shown one formula in the picture. Can you figure out? Now time is 5:31. We have very good time. No issues. We will go slowly. Guess the formula. Caspe, Angel, ma'am, VP, ma'am. Anyone have side into side? Side into side. Okay, it's area of a square. Pi r square. Revati ma'am, Revati Venkat ma'am. You got it. Asya ma'am, pi r square. Pi. It's because a bag in Tamil r river square. That's why it's pi r square. Thank you. Just a thing. Okay. Now we will go for the fourth one, that is times tables. This is a problem for not a problem actually. It's a kind of a thing. This most of the time the homework will be there. Write 5 times table, or write 2 to 10 times table one time. Write 2 to 3 times table 4 times. Uh, we are the 90s kids. I am the 90s kids. I don't know how many of you are 2K or something, but I'm the 90s kid. But still, this problem is continuing for Gen Z kids also, where everyone want to learn the times table in a way. So why learn times table? It's a look we can't say, we can't ask actually. This is a common homework we got in our days. Every time when the teacher comes, you want to stand and say. So everyone know this picture. What is the picture? I can see pi r square. Many have said. Bimpi, Kiran Chauhan, many Shaila ma'am, Dinesh, hi. Mona, yes. Mona is going to help to learn times table. In YouTube, if you type times table parody, it's a keyword actually, parody. We could get many songs. It's a parody actually. There's a song called How Far I Will Go. It will be converted into a like lyrics based on times table. I'm going to sing. Everyone, please don't go anywhere. Just stay for a minute. I even have written some song. I will show to you all. So I'm about to sing. Okay, ready? So I have been staring at the 3 times table long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect student, but I come back to this video no matter how I try. 3 times 1 I know equals to a 3. 3 times 2 is then equals to a 6. 3 and 3 I know equals to a 9. 3 and 4 makes 12. So it will go like this. The next is a formula. Everyone might have seen this. Negative b plus or minus a quadratic formula. But how this formula could have been sung? So I will just try. This, one, two more songs. That's it. Okay. So it will go like negative b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this is all actually I have collected. It is not on my own actually, but after seeing Kutti Story song, I tried something in math story. This is what actually goes. So let me sing a math story. Pay attention, listen to me. If you want, add it or else bring attention. Subtract, baby. Math is very easy, number. Always be happy. So just to connect with the student, these all the things I have tried. It can be go to tried with any other languages. Still again it's like a WhatsApp ad or YouTube ad. I'm showing the Rethink Math Academy WhatsApp community, because if you like to be a part of it, so that you can get more resources like this, because I don't want to just leave it just like a 1 hour. I want you all people to utilize this in a better way and reach your kids. That is the main purpose. At any point of time, I will not actually misuse your contact. That is promise which I could give it. But still, if you have a trust issue, it's okay, you can stop it. So it's like a meme. It shows where actually staff is asking, "Did you got the answer?" The people who know Tamils, actually they could understand better. It's a movie, so this is how we will actually engage the kids. So in Tamil, it will be like answer எப்படி வந்துச்சு, LHS is equal to RHS hence proved அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவோம். So after that, the staff will say, the question itself mistake, man. Oh, then the student reaction is like, oh, because generally when the proof hence proved question is given, the child will directly prove it. Then finally it comes to know, oh, but now it's a broken heart is coming. The next one, what is this broken heart? Because when fraction is something broken, like the child will be like, oh my god. Until the number is 2 or 3, the whole number, the child feel happy. But when we say 1/4, 1/3, it will fine. I'm not going to take fraction class, don't worry. It's called the fraction dominoes. This is a sheet. Okay. I could show you all, I think you all can see the sheet which I have shown in the slide also. What it will actually do is, we have to cut it in a specific manner. Okay, it is already there. You can also see there. It will be like this. After cutting it, you will get a card like this. Okay, you will get a card like this. So what you have to do is, what will happen, it will become into a kind of puzzle start to finish. You have to match it. So 1/4 is there and picture is 3/4, picture is in the another card. So question will be in one piece, answer will be in the other piece. Like the fraction representation will be in the other piece, the picture presentation representation will be in the other piece. So we have to match it. But how to get this? The same manner only, and I will send it to center also. If possible, they will circulate the resources which I have shared with you. I don't know whether is it possible or not, but still, if you want, you can join in the community. But I will show you. What do you think the age group of this person will be? What might be the age of this person? Just guess it and type it. What might be the age of the person which I have shown? And you can see he is doing in with a lot of interest. You can see how he is actually crossed his legs and sat. I will show the next picture also. 50. They are actually government school teachers where we have given a training for them. You can see there are teachers for their just privacy. I just hidden their faces. You can see there they have arranged in some other pattern, and the person which I have shown, he is arranged in some other pattern. So this is how the child will also enjoy the process. So it is going to be a wonderful hit. You just take a printout of it and cut it and give it to your child. You will definitely think, oh, worth this 1 hour, at least this 5 minutes is good. Even this 1 hour, we don't know whether it is good or bad, but this 1 5 minute part is definitely good. So now next, Calcudoku. Don't worry, 6 o'clock sharp. We will say thank you, bye bye. Okay, okay. Now it is called Calcudoku. I will show the answer. So you can start comparing and thinking what actually it is done. Thanks for guiding. Thank you. Early 60s, 50. It's actually his age might be around 50 and 50 plus, but still he was happy. Many people about to retire, they also sat down and they have enjoyed the process. And then they feel the face. You try it, one printout with card. If you taken it, it is worth, because 10 rupees or 20 rupees will be there. If you cut it and you sit as a family and try it, you will feel something from your heart, or like you will feel actually. So this is called Calcudoku. This is a one thing, how it will work actually, it will follow the rule of Sudoku. Sudoku, it is a 4 by 4 Sudoku. So the same rule is applicable. Only the number 1 to 4 is you. We have to use it. We should not use other numbers. But here, what is that extra part is there? Here it is 7 plus is there. And you can see some cages are darkened and some are thin lines. Why it is darkened? Because if I add these two numbers inside this, I should get the sum as 7. So the 7 represents the final answer and the plus represents which operation I have to use it. So you can see 1 alone it is there. So no operation, just number 1 has to come. And here it is 3 plus diagonal is 3. Hey, wow. This is what Anshu ma'am. It's really nice because many times the kids will observe some beautiful pattern. I think you are the one in your classroom. It's really nice. You have a lot of things to observe from child also, ma'am, because just in a screen you immediately observed a thing. It's beautiful actually. Thank you. So calculation plus Sudoku. So due to that, it is called as Calcudoku. It is like a word, like they called something called homophone. Not homophone. Uh, Compound words. I think compound words. They will mix up the word. So you all wish to try one thing alone. You can take a screenshot of it, but we will take some time. Why to rush? 3 minutes we will take. 3 minutes. 5:45 we will do this, and we will next slide we will have some Calcudoku, but we will just skip it and go on. You try this alone. Can you all please try? So all if you're trying means please put a thumb like yes, that's easy, na? Or you can say something different. What we can say? Something you type it so that I can understand you are doing. In classroom, we will ask many things, but children will say being quiet. If I'm a strict teacher, most of the time children will ignore to answer it. Better to stay calm. Thank you, Sadin ma'am. 2431 first line. Wow. Jasmine ma'am. Yes, sir. Trying. Thank you. Try. Because in mathematics, the best part is the struggle. The struggle needs time. But immediately you will be thinking, we don't have much time to complete the portion. I can really understand your feelings. But I'm assuring that we all actually, if we connect together and if we all keep working in the better cause for the people, one day we will figure out a answer for this. Because every math teachers know there's a problem in timing. But mathematics, actually a thinking is required. For thinking, some struggle should happen in the mind. So we need some time for it. But unfortunately, uh, we couldn't give much time for the kids. We have 1 more minute. Now you all can put your answers in the chat. Like first row, 2431. Someone have mentioned. I really don't understand this one. Joy ma'am, don't worry, Joy ma'am. I'll just guide you here. You can see some of you. I will take, yeah. This is 2 ma'am. So 4. So 4 plus what will give you 6? In 1 to 4, in 1 to 4, what are the number will give 6? Because here 6 plus is there. So 4 plus what number will give 6? Joy ma'am, I now Kritika ma'am mentioned 2. Joy ma'am, I think I could answer your now right now. 4. Okay ma'am. Now you can see this is darkened. This cage is darkened. Okay. So now here 7 is required. So what are the two numbers we can use it to get 7? Even if we miss some topic, it's okay, but we have to do what we are doing in a better way. So 7 plus is there. So what are the two numbers we have to use to get 7? Mathematics ma'am, 3 you have mentioned. That I have to mention 3. In the first row or second row, or you can say 4 plus 3. Can I write 4 here and 3 here? I'm so I'm sorry. Can I write 4 here? What I have to write, ma'am? No repetition is required. Ma'am, now you got it, I think, Joy, ma'am. I sorry, no repetition. No. So 3 and 4. Thank you. Now what I have to get? How can I get 4 plus? I want to get 4 by adding two numbers because it is darkened. Two shells alone, it is darkened. So first row here, what I have to write? It's wrong. Okay, I think due to that chat delay option. Okay, now here I want 5 plus. So it should be 1, 4. And here it is only 3. So it should be 3. And here it is 4 plus. So how to get 4? 1 and 3 I can put. But here already 3 is there. So I should not use that one. So I have to use 3 and 1. So obviously it is 2, 4, and here 1, 2. Now you can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In column also it is only one time it should occur as well as you should. Now thank you, Joy. I can. If anyone else also have doubt, please let me know. I will do justice to your valuable time. Thank you. You can take a screenshot of it and try later as we promised, but it crossed the time limit. It's okay. Can take can I? Because the one thing which I feel it very important. But it is not only for addition actually. You can try it for multiplication, even division. You can try it. It is available in website. Again, the problem is it is digital. So print PDF is available, but still, if you want, you can join in our academy community. It is purely on your voluntary basis. Nothing is uh, compulsory. Thank you. Now, the next one is Tarsia. It is actually a website. We have to create it using this link. No other go. Okay, but still it is available. But they will ask some money from us, like teacher pay teacher that website. We have some, but it will ask in money like euros and dollars. It's better we can spend some time in this link, or else you can type in Tarsia so that you can actually you will can create on your own. You will it will get like this, like triangle you can create, or you can create like a hexagon, or like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 it's hexagon, and here different manner of hexagon. That's it, a small triangle, and you can type your question here and answer. So now how it will looks after typing it, there's a bottom called export to PDF. Once you click this, you will get a printout like this, print and cut out. This is print and cut out, and solution you should not give it to the student. You should give this print and cut out. That means the student has to cut out the individual triangles. Now, after cutting the triangles, what actually will happen? One, there are three sides of a triangle. In one side of a triangle, question will be there. In another triangle, the answer will be there in any one side. So this will be like a matching. So finally, the picture will be like a big triangle, but the student will find it interesting because still it is cutting. Whenever the paper is getting tired of something getting crushed, folding, they will enjoy it. So they will cut it and they will paste it. Sometimes they will do a lot of things. You can try this. It's a simple final answer, but still here one mistake is there. 4 plus 3 is 7. You can see the 19. How it is 19? Because 15 plus 4 will give 19. 5 plus 7 will give 12. 11 plus 5 will give 16. As I said, one triangle will have the question in any one side. The other triangle will have the answer in that side. So they will be all started asking code. That means you are about to leave. So you think, oh my god, you have to move on, man. But this is very important. I request last 9 minutes, you will definitely feel it. I'm not just saying because I have tried it, and this is a very important topic. Many of them already might have known. It's called learning disability, but it is not actually learning disability, it is learning differences. So, what I mean by learning differences here, because a child need teaching differently, but what actually we sometimes label it nowadays, we will say the child is dyslexic, dyscalculia or dyspraxia or dysgraphia. But actually what is missing, we are training them or we are teaching in one way, the child is not suited to it, but immediately then we are saying the child couldn't read it. Why can't we think in another way, that if we would have shown to a child how the child could understand, that is how our nature or we also learn, right? Sometimes we can't understand everything, but if it is explained in a way which a Vignesh could understand, Vignesh will understand. So that is what the child needs. So not going to talk more about dyscalculia. It is actually a neurological disorder. Many of them are actually highlighting and discussing. But in India, rarely, many people are not working on that. But I am seriously working on this for last 2 years. I'm rigorously trying something and studying, even for blind people, how to take math, and deaf people, how to reach math. We are creating some manipulatives for them, touch and tactile. And somehow I want to say thank you, because now dyscalculia, that's it. Okay, now just to say, and you all try this. On the left side you can see some cluster, and right side just type it. How many circles are looking on the left side and right side? You can type L some number, R some number. That is, I'm just asking how many circles in this cluster, group A, and this is group B, how many it is. See, this is very important. Don't think my child, I think everyone are good. Whether this particular thing is important, yes, it is important. I will take 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Uh, you will definitely feel it. Please don't go, because the one thing is there at the end. So it is actually a called a perceptual number, but many of the childrens, they need actually. For example, after seeing this picture, we might have able to say it is 4, but the kids initially they need a practice. So here also it is 4, 4. I'm showing the 4 in different orientations. It is actually called subitizing. After seeing a cluster of dots or some people, immediately the child should be able to say it is 4. But you might have noticed the child will count after 2 sometimes. If it's a younger child, 1 if you show it, the child will say immediately. If you show 2, it will say immediately. But if it is 3, if obviously 4, it will take some more time. So please use this subitizing. I come to the last part, the one thing. Actually, I read this book completely, and after that, I'm sharing the one thing with you all. What is the one thing which actually, after learning many concepts, after making my child or making my class so beautiful in a different way, education technology I have used manipulatives. But even though something is missing in my child, some behavior issues are coming, something is not working properly, health issues are occurring. So, how to sort out all the problems with one thing? You can see the picture is a representation that the first domino is always smaller, but if we find it and strike it correctly, the all things will go falls down. That is how our life goes. Okay, so the shortcut, it's not a shortcut, it's need time and energy. What actually we have done in our academy, it is not a promotion for academy. I request you all to take these ideas and please use it in your places, in your name, edit it, whatever you wish, you do it. So what actually we have done here is, you can see here some kind of a tracker sheet we have designed. In that tracker sheet, I will read out what we are actually trying to do. We help you to build successful habits for a successful future. We channelize your energy in the right direction because children are having more energy, but we have to channelize in the right direction. How? The first thing we are focusing is sleep cycle. So wake up time, the child will write the goal here, and the child will follow it this sheet for 7 days. So in actual, the child will write. For example, Vignesh is thinking to wake up at 5 o'clock, but wakes up at 6. I will write 6 here, and I will allot some less marks for that because my aim is and actual is different. Bedtime. When I want to go bed, if I'm planning 10, but I go by 10:30, chart is blur. I can understand, ma'am. I can really understand. Chart is blur, but I go. I will again. I will show the community QR code. You can log in, and I can share this. So in that, what are the main criteria we are actually tracking? Sleep cycle will be there. Family time will be there, and then fitness that is not required. You want to join in fitness hub, you want to be there, at least playtime should be there for a child. Reading time is not our academic books, it is something apart from that. And learning, somehow it has to be there here in academy, so we use it. And water, please, 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 water is a simple thing, it seems, but it's a powerful. Okay, tracker sheet, the last part is they have to write it. What will happen when they write it? When they write it, the neurons will be activated and it will give signals to the minds, and it will alert the child, hey man, you actually aimed for 6 o'clock and now you're waking up 7 o'clock, please find something. Don't immediately ask the child to write. If your child is waking up at 7, don't ask immediately to wake up at 6. 6:55 is good. Slowly, but make the child to write it slowly. Better, I request you all to take it and try, and you make it visible to the child or your school. You place it somewhere so they will follow it, because imitation is the best way the child can do. Okay sir, you all said something. Now, after knowing this, what is going to happen? Anyhow, I will start in the May month. Some my other works will come, but the tortoise story is there. Even there's a one story will be there, like a grandma will be walking along the seashore and throwing all the tortoise inside. One by one, he will clean that shells and throw it again inside the sea. The person who is passing by will ask, "Could you wash all the tortoise and help it?" The grandma will say, laugh and say, "You go and ask." He will that person will say like, "You are doing a stupid thing because it's useless." But the grandma will say, "You go and ask to the one child, so that one tortoise, sorry, one tortoise. It knows because I bring back the life to that particular tortoise." That is what I also wish to do with you all. I don't know whether everyone felt it happy or felt it in a better way, but maybe that one person, that one child, that one thing, which always I feel it. So makes good. So mindset is like we want to make our place a beautiful garden so that all our butterflies will come. That is our children's. So math should be a place where all flavors should be there. So they should enter into the park and they should jump here and there and they should enjoy it. So finally, Vignesh, I want to say thank you to all actually. Okay. So your feedback matters a lot. Many times feedback, they will just skip it or you just type all the other things and you say good. But I request take some moment of time and please mention what you actually take away. Apart from that, what I have to correct it. But if you still want to connect with us, you can scan the QR code or mail ID. Mobile number is there. Uh, I hope you all might have liked it. If you all could have feel it like it, thank you. Uh, is the Math Academy open for registration or not registration? It is just a community will join it, then I will share it. What I mean by that one thing is the routines, if we change, our child's habit is changed, we could change the futures of nature, nation future will change. But we have to focus on our health first as a teacher. Many times we will miss out and we will focus on the students screen time, students water, but we will miss ours. I request, please take care of your health, have a happy Maybe weekend is still there. So have a happy day every day. Keep smiling at every moment. Thank you so much. Back to host. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. We hope you found the session informative. And thank you, Mr. Viknesh M., for a very engaging and informative session for our community of teachers. I'm sure that our teachers have a lot of key takeaways from this session, and you might have definitely seen the comment box going like, it was
Keep
very
keep.
engaging, and yeah, thank you so much for that. And everyone who has joined us live, thank you for joining the session. I hope you found the session helpful. If you have registered and filled out the feedback form for this session, check your participation record in the app in My Learning section. I'll guide you through the instructions. Step one, open the Center app on your device. Step two, navigate to the ongoing webinar section. Step three, click on submit feedback. Please note that this option will be available at 6 p.m. IST, which means it should be available right now. Step four, at the end of the session, we are going to share a 4-digit code required for the feedback. Enter this code to access the feedback form. For today's session, the code is 6195. I repeat, the code to access the feedback form is 6195 for today's session. Step five, complete the feedback form and you will be able to download your record of participation instantly. This new process was introduced to streamline your experience and ensure your participation is instantly recognized. Sendox has been thoughtfully restructured around themes aligned with Senda standards that are globally recognized and widely acknowledged. This updated structure will be implemented starting from the first week of March. Educators who are interested in facilitating Sendox are warmly invited to visit senda.org about us to explore the competencies and standards. You may also propose topics and key takeaways by writing to us at team@center.org, and our team will help you in aligning to the structured theme and competencies. Our team will be happy to review and connect with you based on the themes planned for each week. We look forward to meaningful collaborations and shared learning experiences. Thank you all for your active participation in today's session. We truly appreciate your engagement. To register for more upcoming webinars, please visit the Center app. Have a wonderful day.